Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I will be showing you how to find wallet address in TokenPocket. So watch the video till the end and follow the steps. First of all, open the TokenPocket application from your app drawer and make sure you are signed into one of the wallets. To find the wallet address, simply go ahead and tap on the Receive button at the top of your main wallet. You will then be presented with a wallet address and QR code on the display. Once you find the wallet address or the QR code, you can typically tap on the Copy button and share it with anyone you want to receive funds from. So that is how you can easily find your wallet address on TokenPocket. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.